Are you looking for the best track saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best track saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Cut Track Saw Kit. Makita Plunge circular saw is a specific one among the bunch. It has a powerful 12-amp motor with variable speed control. It is corded in its large cutting capacity. Makita performs accurate cutting with few saw marks at full speed and out. It also controls and maintains constant speed under load and helps users to balance the speed to the application. Makita track saw is specifically designed for cutting sheet materials. Plunge circular saw and optional guide rail system are constructed with anodized aluminum. These two features combine to form perfect and accurate cuts with slightest tear out. The electronic speed of the motor is used to maintain its constant speed under load. Makita track saw is a more portable option and is ideal for job site or in the shop. The Makita 6/2 plunge cut circular saw combines with guide rail and gives precise cuts slightly tear out. This saw is packed with powerful 12-amp motor and magnesium components that control electronic speed to control constant speed under load. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita XSL8PT 18VX2LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 12 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw Kit. Makita XSL8PT's cordles possess dual-powered battery LXT with double X2 LXT technology. It works with more power and speed within the time. Having dual power, it works faster and smoother cutting on wood sheet goods. It offers an exceptional quality of auto-start wireless system for this reason. Bluetooth technology is also used for wireless power on/off communication between tool and dust extractor. BOS is intelligent communication that removes cords and excessive noise. The bevel lock is adjusted in front of the saw for easy access and quick performance. Additional feature is a large-sized aluminum base that enhances the quick and sharp cutting process. The thin kerf is designed on the motor to provide smoother cuts. The max efficiency miter saw blade presents 100 times faster cutting. Makita XSL8 allows 2 LXT battery power, which provides double power and speed without the hassles of a cord. Auto Start wireless system offers Bluetooth technology connected between tool and optional dust extractor. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT 10-inch table saw. DEWALT table saw is packed with rip capacity and a rolling stand with pinion stand system. This makes the adjustment fast, smooth, and precise. The 32.5-inch rip capacity can easily cut shelves and trims on the broad level. Narrow rips can be cut by telescopic fence rails by flipping over the ripping fence. The saw allows 3 1/8-inch deep cuts at 90 degree and 2 1/4 inch at 45 degree. Vacuum is used for quick dust extraction. DEWALT is used for industrial gizmo. This tool can be sold nationally and internationally. The DEWALT 10 inches table saw combined with rip capacity and a rolling stand gives a fence system, which is best for fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustment. The 32.5-inch rip capacity is used to cut a variety of large shelves and trim material. The motor with 15 amp is used to cut hardwood with ease. The saw is provided with an intense depth of cut at various angles. A dust collector is also available for quick and efficient dust extraction. Second on our list is the DEWALT FlexVolt 60V Max Circular Saw with Brake Kit. DEWALT 60 volts Max 7 1/4 inches distinctive cordless and is equipped with a powerful brushless motor. The blade is located on the left side of the motor. Its bevel capacity is 53 degrees with a stop at 4.5. High-grade magnesium shoe and fast brushless motor helps the track saw in its accurate and smooth performance with clean cut. DEWALT track saw is ideal to use in wood cutting materials like plywood, hardwood, and lumber, etc. It is perfect in its accurate, smooth, fine, and concrete cutting projects tested. The FlexVolt 60V Max cordless saw is characterized with a blade situated to the left of the motor. An electronic brake is used to stop the blade when the trigger is released. The saw provides flash and precise cuts, with high-grade magnesium shoe and an efficient brushless motor. DEWALT circular saw is best for use for cutting wood sheet goods, plywood, hardwood, and flooring. Finally, the top product on our list is the Evolution 20 to 4 degrees Celsius Power Tool Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit. Multi-material circular track saw is challenging for the user because of its specialty for its function. It is perfect in its accuracy and reliability to do work. It is more efficient, faster, smoother, and safer in its work. It has 0-45 degree bevel cutting capacity. There is no need to change the blade while cutting a wide range of materials. Port dust adapter is attached to remove the dust for a clean environment. The channeled airflow helps in cleaning the immediate area during cutting. Multi-material circular. The track saw provides hex key to keep your work fit on your track. The Evolution power tool is designed so artistically that multi-materials can be cut through it. For example, mild steel is used to cut hardwood, even wood with embedded nails. It is an ideal worktops. It is also in cutting plastic like acrylic and drainage tubing even without changing its position. Evolution 20 to 4 degrees Celsius power tool provides 0-45-degree bevel cutting by relieving the thumb lever in order to get an exact angled tilt. Plunge saw is also used for adjustable depth of cuts. I have used an external hose port connected to the dust port adapter for keeping the job site area clean and safe. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.